Welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to invest, that is, start an investment plan on the Cowrywise app. To do this, once you've downloaded the app, you signed up. From the beginning, you are given three options: to save, invest, or if you're not sure, figure it out by clicking on it on the third option and getting a personalized quiz that will help you determine which category you belong to. Is it the saving or the investment category? Now, I've chosen it, and now I'm on this first page. So this is the home page. Next thing you're gonna do, I say I want to save. I want to invest, so I click on invest. Then you can now add your money. We have different investments plan here. We have the Naira Stock Exchange, we have the Naira Mutual Fund, and we have Dollar Mutual Funds. You want to learn more about investment, you click on this. Then don't forget, you must have finished filling in your bio data to enjoy a tailored experience. So just tap on start. So you tell them about yourself, all this information, then you click on continue, and you follow the on-screen prompt until you get to the end. So after filling personal information about yourself, they're going to tell them about your education and your income. So you tell the level of education, what your employment status is, your source of income, and tap on continue. And let's say my education is, let's say I have an O-level. What's your employment status? Let's say I'm a student. Now, what are your source of funds? Let's say my source of fund is I'm a student, so I don't have salary, I don't have inheritance, I just have a bit of savings, and that's about it. Then tap on continue. Then you have to share your investing experience. That is, you have a clearinghouse number issued by CSS? No. Tap on continue. They can tell them about your affiliation. Do you work for any US financial institutions? Definitely not. Have you ever held, or do you currently hold a public position? No. Do you have a spouse, parent, or simply currently or informally in a high level position in the government? Nope. Then tap on continue. Now, what do you enjoy? You pick what you enjoy. Okay, yes, I enjoy writing and let's say music. Tap on finish, and that's it. So you will finish. I will finish filling in the form about ourselves. Then we go back to the home page. Now, next thing you can do is to link your bank account so it can be easy for you to fund your savings and investments seamlessly. So we can decide to do this later. Now, they're also recruiting ambassadors. Let's leave that for now. So we're back here. We said invest. So you have to fill that first before you can invest or save. The next thing you're going to do, let's say you want to invest in the Naira Stock Exchange, and you want to own a piece of Nigeria. Tap on start investing. You add your BVN, your NIN, your data network king. You can see fill your bio data right through that, so it's marked. Then you update your phone number and you add a dividend account. So from there, follow the screen prompt and you're good. Hope you found this video helpful.